Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from Infomaker. Welcome to a brand new video, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can get approval to promote any product on Warriorplus. If you are a beginner who is just getting started with the affiliate marketing and online marketing, do not has got any kind of a sales record, it can be really difficult for you to get approval to promote affiliate offer inside of marketplaces like JVzoo and Warriorplus, where you have to manually request to promote individual product. This thing is totally different on a ClickBank, where you can just click on promote button and grab your affiliate link, but you have to normally request for an approval to promote an individual product on JVzoo and a Warriorplus. So I'm going to be showing you how you can normally get an approval to promote affiliate offer in a Warriorplus. So if I normally come over here, as you can see, I have been approved to promote most of the product that is on a Warriorplus that I have decided to normally promote. So now I'm normally going to log out from this particular Warriorplus account and log into a different one to normally show you how you can normally apply it. Okay, so I'm going to log in on my different account. Okay, as you can see right now I'm on a dashboard of my different account, where I'm going to be showing you how you can normally apply for an affiliate approval. So let me go to a offer first. This is my dummy account that I usually normally use to normally do a testing. Okay, so as you can see, these are a list of the product to whom I can normally apply for an affiliate approval. So I'm going to be taking example of this particular product called Loophole to Profit. This is from a Brandon Mays. And now in order to normally request for an affiliate approval, I'm going to be clicking on this button and I'm going to be writing something. Hi Sabine here, I want to promote the offer to my website and create content around the product. Please approve me as affiliate. I will also be using landing page. Mention you are going to be using a landing page. So EPC means average pay per click of the offer will be good. So as you can see, you have to mention that how you are going to promote. So I have normally say that Sabine here, I want to promote the affiliate offer on my website and create a content around the product. Please approve me as affiliate. I will also be using a landing page, so EPC will be good, means average pay per click will be good. So now you also have to normally include references. So what is references? If you are mentioning that you want to promote this on your website, you want to promote this on your social media, include a link to those. Okay, for example, I'm going to be including a link to my website here. Okay, for example, I'm going to be going over here and I will grab a URL of my website. I'll also normally include my YouTube channel URL. If you do not, you can also normally create a YouTube channel, start publishing a video. YouTube is really great source of driving a traffic. Let me search my channel. Okay, this is my different channel that I used to use for normally creating a review video on the product. Nowadays I have not normally used it a lot. Okay, so now my YouTube channel, then I'm going to be giving my Facebook also, in case if Brandon Mays want to contact me personally to normally understand which is the method that I'm going to be using to promote affiliate offer. Okay, so now I'm going on my Facebook. This is also my dummy account that I use while doing some sort of a training and all. Make sure you are not going to be sending a friend request on that account. Okay, so now I have mentioned, I have included all the resources. Then I'm going to be clicking on a request offer. Okay, so now this is how you are going to be applying properly to get approval to promote affiliate offer on a Warriorplus. But still there are a lot more other steps as well. So if I normally go to my account over here, and there is also something called edit profile. So once you normally register your account on Warriorplus, that doesn't mean your account is fully ready. As you can see, you have to normally enter your full name, location, you have to give a short bio, company name, company title, select a time zone, you have to connect your mobile number, your Skype detail, your couch IO ID, your country, your postal code, if you want to normally include a long bio or introduction here. Okay, Also make sure you are going to be connecting your social media account, for example Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, Twitter. Upload a cover image, upload a vendor logo. Make sure you are going to be setting up your profile properly, so when a vendor is going to be checking your affiliate request, they are going to be finding your profile genuine. So as you can see on the on this particular account there is nothing, but if I normally log into my few other account, there is. Okay, I'm going to be logging in into my another dummy account. Okay, Moneymaker. If I normally get login into my this particular account, I have got a 65 affiliate request. Okay, I'm going to be opening this and show you that how does a vendor see your offer. So for example, this is a newbie affiliate who have requested to promote my product. So if you have not generated sale, there will be one sign called new affiliate, and this is the request box. As you can see, he have clearly mentioned I am a brand new to affiliate marketing. I am only notable experience having generating click and impression or a link conversion. So he have given a brief description, but there is still a something. So if I normally click on it, it will take me to a profile of this affiliate where I can check. As you can see, this is also literally dummy where there is not any authentic information. If I normally go over here and type my username, okay, one of my Warriorplus account username Sabin55033. As you can see, this is my full name. This is the product that I have normally launched back in 2020. This was only available for a few people. Once the 10 people brought it, I normally close it. Now you cannot purchase it. As you can see here, I have also connected my Google account, I have connected my LinkedIn account, and I have also connected my Twitter account as well. And as you can see here, I have included a picture of myself. I have clicked this way back in, but this is how you are going to be creating a genuine profile. So when vendor will see your offer, they will definitely approve you. They will definitely give you a chance even if you do not have got any kind of a sales record. So this is one of the easiest way to normally apply for an affiliate approval inside of Warriorplus. I hope you have normally find the value in this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I am going to be check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.